Feeling a dry cough or sore throat? Want to breathe easier? These are signs of lung heat in traditional Chinese medicine. And as a Daoist, we have a secret weapon just in your hand, the YuJi point. Now, find your thumb's biggest muscle pad. The YuJi point is not on the muscle itself, but right along the border, where the muscle meets the first metacarpal bone. Use your thumb or knuckle to massage YuJi firmly for about 2 minutes every day. This powerful point, part of the Lung Meridian, is your secret for clearing lung heat, soothing your throat, and easing coughs. It helps you calm your qi for better breathing. I'm Daoist Kirin. Follow me for more natural healing practices.